I'm going to try and do a more complete video of my can crusher that I built. Automated, fully automatic. Drop the can in, it comes out crushed and gets counted. I have a display right here. It's Arduino based, which is in here. I have 4 relays to control the 4 cylinders that I use. This is the back of the digital display. This is a Eeprom chip that I use to store the count, so if the power does go out, it still stays in memory. It retrieves it every time it boots up. So basically, turn the switch on, it boots up in seconds. I have a 12 volt linear power supply. Voltages displayed here. I have plus and minus 12 volts. I have 5 volts. There's a buck converter hidden in this to go from 12 volts to 5 volts, so I can power the coils that are in here and these, the relays that are in here and the coils that are on the cylinders to change the shuttle valves. Air supply here. I have a regulator here. This cylinder here pinches the cans as they fall. As the cans fall, you can drop more than one in at a time, and this cylinder here will pinch it so that it can't drop. This cylinder, or this reed switch, senses that there's a can there. The cylinder that's here in the cup stops the can from falling until it's ready for the next can. So I'll just drop a can in and show you. It happens fairly fast, so. Okay, so there's the display right now. I'll drop the can in. And then if I shut the power off, that 9 cans crush gets retrieved from memory when it boots back up. So yeah, I got it. I got most of the bugs out of it. It seems to be working fairly well right now. That's it. A lot of time, a lot of money.